Welcome, guys. It's KOK Gift Baskets and more, bringing to you some more Easter concepts. All right, I have a Peeps concept here. This is my little information card. I have the large iridescent Peeps. I have the Peeps press-on nails, hand sanitizer. I have body scrub, bath bomb, loofah, hair accessories, keychain with lip gloss, water bottle. I have a mini verse, make it, mini food, little journal, nice little ink pen. On the back here, I have one of the inflatable chairs. So this gift is geared toward a preteen or teen. Okay, guys. Added my little Peeps sticker there using my Cricut machine. Okay, guys, so this is it for this. Okay, this one here is just a blanket and a little octopus that came from one of Walgreens sales. I have some little bubbles in there, water bottle. I put in a Crayola alphabet book and some crayons. I also added a little bunny little headband there. This one here. This one is a little purse, a little bunny purse. It has a lot of little accessories in it. It has like little plastic pieces that look like fingernail polish, perfume bottle, things like that. Also has crayons, Crayola coloring book. I have a beautiful little bunny rabbit back there. Got some chalk in here, some bubbles. So this is another one for my little ones. Okay, this one here is another little Peeps concept, small little yellow Peep. And I have chalk, bubbles, Peeps markers, the little color and erase Crayola set. I also have in here a little mini journal with an ink pen. And these are two other small concepts. This one I put in the Paw Patrol little basket. I put a Paw Patrol cup, a little dog here that came from Walmart. Also have a little spoon and fork set that's Paw Patrol in the back. I have a Paw Patrol rattle. So I have the 3 Paw Patrol items and then this little dog here. The other Paw Patrol items I have are for more of a preteen. So I didn't want to put those in here. So I just add a little plush dog. Okay, since Paw Patrol is a cartoon with dogs in it, I thought that would be just fine to go in this gift. This one here, guys, is Mario. This is a little nice activity set. You open all the compartments up. You have different toys in there. There's a plush Mario, chalk, a Crayola activity set. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get some inspiration from it. And I appreciate you guys so much for coming by to see what I had going on. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.